What's up, guys? Hope you're doing good. Just want to jump on here real quick. I know I'm in the woods, but my wife challenged me to walk a mile a day, even though I probably already do it, but she wanted me to intentionally walk a mile a day consecutively, and then next week bump it up to 1.5 miles. So she told me to go to the gym. We're part of a gym here, and jump on a treadmill and do it, but instead I came out here in the woods, and this is more my style. So I wanted to jump on here real quick and just chat with you guys. As you guys know, I started a marketing company. That's not why I'm on here, but I started a marketing company, and this title of this video is called I'm in the Trenches. And it's very quickly bringing me back to when I started my cleaning business. And a lot of you guys know that are just getting started, or maybe you're only a couple years in, that you're kind of the person that does everything, right? Answers the phones, the emails, quotes the jobs, sometimes does the jobs. And although we have a team surrounded with us that do most of our marketing stuff, I oversee everything. And we just started, so we're brand new. So I'm the guy responding to emails, overseeing all the projects, making sure the vision of the company is going correctly, making sure we're doing a good job for the clients, making sure things are getting done when they're supposed to get done. And it's crazy. And so I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm in it with you. And the reason I'm making this video is because it's quickly reminding me, it's easy to forget, but it's quickly reminding me that in this early season, sorry, I'm out of breath. In this early season, this is a great time to start developing systems, and it's a great time to get focused on why you're better than your competition. And so for us, and I'm just gonna give some examples, but for us, our main competitors' turnaround time on just print work alone is typically 3 to 7 days to get your first proof. Ours is within 24 hours. Our print times are 2 to 4 business days. And so a lot of times, by the time one of our clients hires us, we design, print, ship. It's on their front door before they would even gotten their first proof back, right, from another company. And so that's how we set ourselves apart on the print side of things. I'm not going to bore you on all the other stuff, but it's a perfect example of why we're better. And because we are like that, we're able to charge more, and we attract customers that want good quality, right? They want speed. They care about their time. They want their crap now, and they want it done now. And that's the kind of person we want, someone who's willing to pay for it and willing to appreciate the quality they get, rather than going with some of these other guys that are just putting out crap and the quality's garbage, and it takes them 2-3 weeks to get to their front door. That's not who we are. And you guys should start thinking about your companies the same way, whether you're a plumber or lawn care or window cleaner, whatever you do. I encourage you to really dive deep and start to examine your competition. Don't get obsessed with your competition, but examine what they do and how they do it, and do it better. Every little thing that they do, bring it up to the next level. And when you do that, you can charge more, and you can't lose. It's impossible. I'm telling you right now, your market, full of your competitors, they're doing work. They have customers just like you do. And a lot of those customers only went with them because maybe at the time they were the best option. But it's your job to go into your marketplace and do a better job. And so that's what we're doing with our marketing company. We're just doing a better job than everybody. It's not me bragging. I'm not trying to be boastful. In fact, I'm extremely humbled by all the people, even on here on YouTube, that have trusted us with their business so far. And gosh, I had a testimony the other day that a guy texted me. We did some direct mail for him, and it was like 2 days after he mailed it. I'm not going to say his name, but you know who you are. And he says, I got 8 quotes tomorrow, all from that direct mail. It's crazy. It's awesome. It makes me feel good, but more importantly, it makes me feel good that you guys take the time to watch these videos. And I just encourage you to implement some of the stuff. And you're not going to agree with everything I say, and that's okay. I don't expect you to. Everyone's got their own taste and own way of doing things. But I'm telling you, if you look at it like, if you look at your competition and you can do everything they do, but just a little bit better, you can't lose. So hope that encourages somebody today. I'm going to get back to exercising and try to hold myself accountable to this as well. So hope you guys are doing well. It's a good Monday. Love you guys. Take care.